if there is a disagreement between legislators and the governor in a state, which is a common phenomenon, that will not be regarded as a division known to the Constitution, known to law. And that is what I meant by saying that I think the legislators were not exposed to sound legal advice.
Hello viewers, welcome once again to Think Tank TV. Now, just like the section 128 in the presidential election that was highly controversial, different lawyers have predicted the fate of the 27 House of Assembly members that defected from the People's Democratic Party to the All Progressives Congress. However, when seasoned lawyers like Femi Falana give his opinion about a matter, it is advisable we listen to him. Yes, Femi Falana, SAN, have predicted the fate of the 27 House of Assembly member that defected from the People's Democratic Party to the All Progressives Congress. Given the situation in the Rivers State House of Assembly, one may begin to wonder, what does the law provide? Has the Supreme Court ever determined a matter of this nature before? Yes, Femi Falana is going to be dissecting the situation that is happening in Rivers State and giving us the possible predictions of the court. Do want to sit back and listen for yourself, but don't go anywhere because I'll be coming back to wrap up the video. My name is Moses and this is Think Tank TV.
Following the declaration by the Speaker to conduct fresh elections in those seats where the legislators have moved to another party, with respect to the demolition of the House of Assembly, again in Rivers State, particularly under the immediate past administration, houses of opponents were demolished, properties, the CFO, certificates of occupants obtained by opponents were revoked. So Rivers State is used to what is going on. But in this particular instance, where the House of Assembly was bombed last month when there was an attempt to conduct an optional impeachment of the governor, the state government now says we are renovating the property, we are demolishing to renovate, while an alternative venue will be provided for now for the House to continue to conduct its business. We can guess for now. I think that is the way I want to leave it. I don't want to engage in conjecture or speculation.
Okay, so let us, if you had, I don't know whether you were privy to listening to some of the things the 27 members had said. We even had to speak to some of them right here on Channels Television, and they alluded to the fact that especially...
But I think one of them have returned to the PDP, today.
We need to find out. What I'm trying to say, Leonard, is the fact that they said, the speaker especially, the Army Will Elect group, I should say, rather, said, look, that there's a disagreement as to who is the national secretary of the People's Democratic Party. That was what he said, that there's a disagreement. And they also alluded to the fact that they've been intimidated, accused the governor of high-handedness and something I can't remember all of the details, but basically there is disunity within their party, which is a premise for them to leave the party. And what I've always posed to Leonard Silk like you is, because there's a proviso in 109 section 1G, second paragraph, that says that if there's an established division within the party, that's a good reason for them to excuse themselves from the party.
The Constitution, that provision was interpreted by the Supreme Court in the case of Adegunle that I mentioned earlier. And the court made it clear, we're not talking of a division within a state. We're not talking of a division within a local government. We're talking of a party that is divided, from the leadership, down the line. Whereas, if you are talking of two factions of the APC and PDP, two people claiming to be chairman of the PDP, two general secretaries, or two executives, then we can say there is a division. But if there is a disagreement between legislators and the governor in a state, which is a common phenomenon, that will not be regarded as a division known to the Constitution, known to law. And that is what I meant by saying that I think the legislators were not exposed to sound legal advice. Because everybody will have known, once the Supreme Court has made a pronouncement on a matter in any country, you are bound to comply.
Wow, so it means that the predictions that the seats of the 27 House of Assembly members are vacant is what the law provides. Another issue of controversy is the issue of Emeka Beke, who is the state chairman of the All Progressives Congress. He came out just a few days ago to say that he does not recognize the 27 members who claim to have defected to the All Progressives Congress. Anyway, let's continue hearing from Femi Falana as he continually dissects the issues of the Rivers State House of Assembly.
Today, what should and it's also a good development. It's a good law, a good interpretation of the law that there should be no political prostitution in the country, because it's tantamount to political immorality. If you are voted for on the basis of the program of a political party and you abandon the party, you are advised to go and try your luck by contesting again under the new political platform. But the division the court is talking about, the law is talking about, is not a division within, members of a party in a state. It must be at the national level, whereby you can say, I belong to faction A or I belong to faction B. But today, the PDP is one. And I remember, I think it was Governor, the Foreign Minister of the FCT, former Governor, Wike, who went to court. There's an attempt to expel him from the party, and the court intervened. Thou shall remain there. So he remains a member of the PDP. If those who are backing him in the state decide to try their luck elsewhere, you can only wish them success. So be it.
You've seen it for yourself. Now, by these predictions of Femi Falana, it simply means that Edison Ehi is the recognized Speaker of the Rivers State House of Assembly based on what the law provides. No wonder many have said that Edison Ehi seems to be the brain behind the tenacity of Sim Fubara, who is the governor of Rivers State. Meanwhile, information also has it that 2 of the 27 House of Assembly members that defected to the All Progressives Congress had made a U-turn, coming back to the People's Democratic Party. I believe they are beginning to see the handwriting on the wall and they are scared of losing their position in the Rivers State House of Assembly. Meanwhile, another information reaching us has it that Martin Amewule and the remaining 26 House of Assembly members have met in the quarters of the Rivers State House of Assembly, passing a local government autonomy bill, which means that the local government should remain autonomous. I believe that they're actually doing this to avoid or to prevent Siminala Infobara from dissolving the local government chairman. Please do well to go to the comment section and drop your thoughts. Let's get to know what your thinking is in the crisis that is happening in the Rivers State government, and we shall continually be here to serve you. Thank you so much to all our viewers and returning subscribers. We do not take it lightly. My name again is Moses, and this is Think Tank TV. See you on our next video. Bye for now.